welcome to my video. Today I will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of eating plantains. Please enjoy and learn something useful. Advantages. Plantains are rich in fiber. Fiber helps digestion. Plantains contain vitamin C. Vitamin C helps boost the immune system. Plantains give energy because they have carbohydrates. They have potassium, which is good for the heart. Eating plantains can help control blood pressures. Disadvantages. Plantains are high in carbohydrates. Eating too many can cause weight gain. Fried plantains can be high in unhealthy fats. People with diabetes should eat them in moderation. Unripe plantains may cause stomach discomfort. Conclusion. Thank you for watching. Plantains are healthy when eaten in the right amount. Please enjoy them as a part of a balanced diet. Take care and see you in my next video.